If you don't know who Cameron Niemela is, you probably should have. And sadly, RIP to him as of the 11th, I think, is what is posted on his Instagram from his wife. Yeah, 11/11. Sadly, he has lost his battle with cancer. I think it was 5 weeks ago he posted on his Instagram saying that for the fourth time, I think it was lymphoma or leukemia, one of the two, was back. And I think at that point, there's not really much you can do. Sadly, I mean, if you like YouTube, if you like bike stuff, he was probably one of the coolest guys. I mean, I don't want to laugh, but it's not a funny thing, but he had a pretty big following, 400 something thousand subscribers, did some of the coolest builds, full teardowns of dirt bikes into the best they could be. And, just a generally cool guy. Generally, I mean, I never met him, so I'm going to say this from the perspective of somebody who watched him as a personality. That's how it is. But you never want to see this happen. I mean, especially, he leaves behind a wife and two kids. And so I am going to leave down below. There's I believe, an ongoing GoFundMe for that. And I think there's also some other stuff. If you check out his Instagram, there's a meal train and other things to, help out his wife and his kids. But I don't know, like, to me, it was a cool thing to watch. He was a cool personality, did some really cool builds. And I know that's not the most important thing, but obviously that's how he's known, for doing that kind of stuff, bike builds, track builds. I guess you could call it garage builds too, but if I don't know where to put this. um, anything you can do, go help, go fund me, anything that you could probably do to help is going to be probably well necessary and well, I don't know what's the word for it, well appreciated. There we go. We'll just go with that. But like I said, in the comments below, there's going to be a link to the GoFundMe. So anything I think goes straight to his family. Um, I don't know what else you want to do, but I don't know. I guess comment down below. You know, say if you watched him, if you didn't, if you're going to now, or if you've been following for a while, whatever it is. Tell me what you think. Like I said, GoFundMe in the link below. Go check that out. Help if you can. And I don't know. Tell your family you love them. Peace.